Oh, updates on the car. Bad news. Finished tuning on E50. The car was running good until it wasn't, and looks like we cracked the head. So all signs pointing to that typical EcoBoost shenanigans with that shitty stainless internal header design with the internal runners. But we've got exhaust deposits. Yet to confirm it with the leak detector, but I can see evidence of exhaust deposits in there. Car's under boost is pressurizing the reservoir tank, blowing coolant all over the engine bay, and we got white smoke out of the back. So I haven't run the car in about 2 months. Started right up, no check engine light, but there's nothing that would tell the computer to trip a CEL anyway. Can't see it because it's bad lighting, but we've still got some coolant smoke coming out. It smells sweet. So yeah, it was fun. I only got to drive it for maybe a month. We ended up making 460 to 480 wheel on E85, about 500 foot-pounds of torque. Stock clutch, stock block, car run great. It was a fucking monster. We were running about a 8.5 second 60 to 130. So I'm done with this platform. I'm gonna part the car out, fix the head, put the car all back to stock. So I will have a bunch of parts for sale. So we got 13.8 inch rear big brake kit, Greddy fully TIG welded exhaust that's brand new. It's only got a few hundred miles on it. BNR 3071 turbo, RS intake, CVF intercooler, Depo charge pipes with a tial Q blow-off valve welded into the hot side. My custom catch can setup will be for sale with the radium plate. What else? XDI 2000cc injectors, XDI 35 high pressure fuel pump, whole bunch of other stuff, biodynamics fog lights, bunch of bolt-on stuff. So all this shit will be for sale. I'm motivated to sell. I've also got, what else? I've got a CNC billet anodized jack rail kit for it. Brand new Mfactory LSD in the box. I got a spec stage 3 clutch with all metal RS slave cylinder. So a bunch of good parts for this car. So if you are interested in any of this stuff, shoot me a message on YouTube and I'll give you my contact info and make it a good deal.